Are your windshields constantly covered in dust, bugs, or water spots? Dirty windshields don't just look bad. They can seriously affect visibility, especially at night or during bad weather. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get crystal clear glass in just a few minutes using 4 simple tools that will make the job safe, fast, and satisfying. First, we're going to be doing a quick rinse. This is going to remove dirt and grime from the surface and avoid scratches while cleaning. Our Chenille Wash Mitt is perfect for this because the microfiber noodles lift and trap dirt and grime away from the surface. Use straight line motions across the windshield. The chenille fibers hold plenty of soap and water, making the process fast and safe. Now comes the satisfying part, removing the water using the silicone squeegee. 1 or 2 passes removes most of the water instantly, which saves tons of drying time. The soft silicone edge glides smoothly across the glass, but make sure the blade stays clean while using it. If dirt gets trapped underneath, it could scratch the surface. After using the squeegee, we will finish drying with our 700 GSM Shaggy Weave double density drying towel. This towel is super plush and highly absorbent, making it perfect for picking up any leftover moisture or small drips. I like using it around the edges, windshield trim, and near the wipers where water tends to hide. It leaves the glass clean, dry, and streak free. Now it's time to add protection and clarity using our dedicated windshield and glass cleaning towels. These towels are specifically designed for glass, evenly spreading product without leaving lint or streaks behind. You can use them to apply a glass cleaner, rain repellent, or shine enhancer for improved visibility and easier maintenance. A good glass finish also helps water bead off during rain, which can improve visibility while driving. And that's how you get a clean and professional looking windshield in a few simple steps. Chenille Wash Mitt for safe washing, Silicone Squeegee for fast water removal, 700 GSM drying towel for a spotless finish, and our glass and windshield cleaning towel for protection and shine. And that's the end of this video. If you're interested in these amazing detailing products, be sure to check out the description below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell. And be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.